2022 Chevrolet Trailboss Z71 Duramax, less than 2,000 miles. Hi everyone, Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. As of the making of this video, we have one of three for sale in the entire country. Again, it's the Trailboss. It's leveled, oversized tires on it. I bought it from the original owner. His family grew, so he had to get rid of his truck and get into something with more seats. Clear Carfax, independently inspected, under bumper-to-bumper warranty. We have the heated cloth seats, power driver's seat, the new for 22 interior, factory remote start, the huge touchscreen, heated seats, heated steering wheel, charge pad, tow package. I think it's got lane keep on it. Yeah, it's got nice options on it. Black on black, again, that's a factory wheel, but an oversized tire. Got the ready leveling in it. Oh, multi-flex tailgate. If you want to get pre-qualified at AutoramaAuto.com, we can get you in and out of here real quick, like I'm talking under 20 minutes. It comes with the balance of factory warranty, but you can extend that. You can talk to finance about that. Let's talk about price. We don't have hidden fees. We don't have market adjustments. We don't have all that garbage, recon fees, none of that. The price you see is the price you pay, but we do have a $145 dock fee. That's not hidden. That's cheap for documentation fee, no other fees. I hate it when dealers advertise low prices and then surprise you with a totally different bottom line. That's not us. So let's review. Inspected, 2,000 miles, detailed, factory warranty, no hidden fees. That's the Autorama advantage.